Hi guys, how are you? So the beast has been unveiled. The mind-blowing Samsung Galaxy Fold is here. It has been announced by Samsung today with all its glory. The Samsung Galaxy Fold is armed with 12 gigs of RAM paired with 512 gigs of internal memory, which might be enough for a power user but not enough for Samsung. And they added a support for 1 terabyte micro SD, which means a total of 1.5 terabyte of memory. The Samsung Galaxy Fold is powered by a 7nm processor. The Galaxy Fold features a stupendous 7.3-inch main display, which is an OLED display called the Infinity Flex display, having a resolution of 1536 by 2152, which can be folded. When folded, a smaller 4.6-inch display is used with a resolution of 1840 by 1960, which is also called cover display by Samsung. Now let's talk about the cameras of the Samsung Galaxy Fold. So the Samsung Fold features not 2, not 3, but a total of 6 cameras. Yes, 6 freaking cameras in a smartphone. 3 on the back, 2 on the front, and 1 with the cover display. Now let's talk about the battery of the Samsung Galaxy Fold. And the battery of the foldable phone is pretty unique and one of a kind. Actually, I should say batteries instead of battery, as the foldable phone features dual batteries summing to a total of 4380 mAh. And to increase the durability of the fold, the Samsung Galaxy Fold features a hinge system with gear locks, which will allow you to fold and unfold your device thousands of times smoothly. The phone also features a 3-app multitasking feature, which allows you to work on 3 apps at a time. The Galaxy Fold comes with 4 unique color options: Cosmos Black, Space Silver, Martian Green, and Astro Blue. The phone has 2 variants, an LTE variant and the 5G version. Now if we talk about the price of the Samsung Galaxy Fold, the price starts from $1,980 in the US and it varies with the region. And the phone will be available in the market on April 26. Okay guys, that is for now. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notifications to get notified about my future videos. And also share this video, like this video, and comment down your questions in the comment section below. I will try to answer them. But for now, let's call it a day.